What's up guys, Chifty here, back to the game with another video, and if you clicked on this video, thank you so much. I only need 60 seconds of your time. So basically, Toys R Us posted this post right here. Check that. I'll take a picture of your collection and send it to them and post on Facebook. So you can see I actually had to clear my room just to take the photos of my collection. So basically, the whole idea is the person with the most likes wins a 2016 sealed factory set. For those who don't know, a sealed factory set has over 300 cars. It includes all the super treasure hunts, some RLC cars. You heard that right. So the thing is, there is no vote manipulation allowed. So what I'm trying to say is, all you have to do is click the link below and like the post with the post or the person's collection that you like the most. My name is Bjorn Alvarez. So hopefully you guys vote for the correct person. And hopefully that person is me. I'm so excited. So once again, go to the post and like the post that you like. And the guy with the most likes wins the giveaway. Alright, that's it guys. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.